A lot of front doors here in Kansas City are facing south, or they're facing west, or they get late night sun. So if you have a high sun exposure to your front door, I'm going to usually caution you to stay away from wood. Because what we know about wood, wood is going to be wood, and it's going to expand and contract with the seasons, and that's going to be even more amplified if you have a ton of sun on it. So if you have a ton of sun, I think you're going to get the best experience on longevity if you think about a fiberglass door or you think about a steel door. Between the two of those, a fiberglass door is going to hold temperature a little bit better. It's not going to get as hot in the summers with direct sunlight compared to a steel door. But both of those options are probably going to be your best bet opposed to wood when you're thinking about high intense, high heat throughout the summer in direct sunlight. So color is certainly going to affect. If you have high intensity heat, probably going to coach you to stay away from the dark colors and maybe shift to something light, or at least know what you're getting into. If that is a fiberglass wood door or wood looking door, we might coach you to choose a lighter stain or a lighter color. If you're looking at a black door or a dark door, we might suggest you consider something in the gray that's not going to hold, but absolutely the color choice on top of the material is going to hold more heat.